Let's talk about our project number 2. In that project number 2, we just added number of features and in the project 1, so we can calculate number of things in the project 2. So first, when we start, when the part is released from the feed part, release solenoid and reach at the pickup station, the PNP vertical cylinder lower to conveyor and pick up the part until the part is set here for the 1.5 second. Then the part is placed in the pallet and then the pallet is moved to the press station. When the pallet with the part it between the station load station 2 and the press station, we have one height measurement sensor. On that we can calculate the height of the parts by added some logic on the commute by using a commute instruction. So we can identify the approximate height of the maximum height of the part. We also have option to enter the approximate part height with the tolerance of 5 mm. I adjust 5 mm. Here I can add the required part height. So I also added an instruction to count how many parts are good and bad. So also I can calculate the number of total number of the parts passed from the height sensor. And now let's talk about the press station. When the pallet is at the press station, the press station is going up and the press is down. So we have to calculate the value in the pressure in the pressure. How much pressure is pressed by the press machine on the parts, so we can get the desired shape for the parts. So here we also use the same logic as we use in the height for the pressure to convert the volt signal to our PSI for the pressure. And I stored the last part pressure in the basic screen display of the PLC. So here I can adjust the last part pressure and the current part pressure I can also see in here. So that's all about the press station. And I also added some more logic for the press station. So whenever the parts is pressed, so how many parts are pressed by this press machine, it can be calculated and it can be shown in the logic. So this is and I also set the number of press targets like 10. So whenever the press is pressed 10 numbers, the red light will indicate now the service is required for the press station. The number of LEDs are here and I used that number of LEDs the yellow LED I use here whenever the part is within the range, like a good part or within the range in the heights like 275 mm plus or minus 5 mm, then it shows the yellow light. And different lights I also use.